Hi, my name is Gary Myers. I'm the Vice President of Kogo Capital, and I am here today to talk to you about how to use private money. Now, in today's market, a lot of people are buying real estate or wanting to get into real estate, and a lot of things that's holding them back is money, plain and simple. We love those TV shows, that we love to fix and flip, all that great stuff, but how do we really get involved? How do we get started? Now, a lot of you would argue that, we got to go find a real estate deal, which I agree with, right? We got to go out and find a deal. We got to negotiate with a seller and get that deal under contract. Most private money lenders, that's one of the first questions they're going to ask you is, do you have a deal under contract? Why? Well, they don't want to waste their time going through numbers and going through the whole process if you don't have a deal under contract. Now, one thing I love about Kogo Capital with our educational platforms and here in Kogo Capital personally is that we love to help you through that process because we understand being new to this industry, new to real estate investing, one of the holdbacks is, okay, how do I get a proof of funds letter? How do I find this deal? And that's something that I love about the Lee Arnold system is that they have put a one-stop shop together on how to find everything. How to find the deal, how to negotiate, how to write the contract, how to get the money, how to find a contractor, how to get a contractor's contract in place, right? So there's a lot of things and a lot of moving parts in a real estate transaction that is involved with real estate. And private money lenders is a vital tool for success because you don't have money. A lot of people don't have money or they don't know where to get the money. So Kogo Capital is one of the functions and moving parts of being successful as a real estate investor. If you want to change your life, click the link below.